When you bonjour, you come from France, Paris. You come from what part of France? Paris?
Non, Alpes de Grenoble.
Grenoble. Ah, c'est tout près de la mer. Grenoble ก็เป็น
C'est plus près de la
อยู่ริม
montagne.
ทะเล C'est centre de maritime.
C'est plus près de la montagne.
Non, c'est Grenoble. Wow, d'accord.
300 km. La mer,
Il-
300 km.
Oui. 300 kilomètres. Et Grenoble, c'est la montagne. Oui, je suis désolé. Et la France, ça va? And now it's in French. French, it's okay. They have
La
the
France, ça va bien.
yellow shirt and red shirt.
Yeah, ça va bien.
Who
Il faut
can
rien
win?
faire. Il faut rien faire en France.
No,
On
who?
prend pas la voiture, pas d'ennui, on tourne pas autour des ronds-points. Si on va pas travailler, les routes sont pas bloquées. Il faut rester tranquille.
Who can win between the red and yellow?
I cannot speak about this one. I don't
No,
know.
but France is they believe in election. They believe in electoral democracy. Ça veut dire la confusion de démocratie électionnelle. Ça veut dire toujours élection, toujours même qu'on a every time when you have red shirt, yellow shirt, but the government never decide, right? Because they believe in the parliament, no coup d'état. They never have any coup d'état.
Il y aura pas. Non.
Even the red shirt come, the yellow shirt come. Why Thailand we need a coup d'état?
Non.
You know? Okay.
Il faut se rappeler que la France, c'est plus une démocratie.
Si.
Pour moi, non,
C'est
c'est une plutocratie. Vous chercherez ce que ça veut dire plutocratie en France.
No, a democracy, so because a democracy, it means that you believe in democracy. You believe in the absolute formula like an election. Because you believe that democracy is equal to election, right? When you believe like that, even good or bad, you wait for election. Even good or bad, you never dissolve the parliament. You never force your president to resign. Even the red shirt, yellow shirt fight each other in the street, and the military, the junta, never intervene, right? No coup d'état. And about
Ben, c'est un coup d'État, mais 18 semaines, hein, ça
De-
fait un grand coup d'État.
the goal, right? Yeah.
Mon grand-père, il disait, il a fait les deux guerres, hein, il disait toujours,
Mais the
la
goal, c'est
révolution,
quoi?
ça se fait avec le ventre vide.
À la révolution française, ça veut dire changer le régime. Et après là, il n'y a pas la monarchie. Et après Napoléon, c'est quoi là? C'est le roi ou pas le roi? C'est empereur. Yeah. Okay, if we talk about French Revolution, you know, after they abolish the monarchy.
On va laisser Napoléon résoudre.
No
le problème.
king, and after Napoleon became not the king but became
On a
emperor.
un nouveau Napoléon. Là. On a un nouvel empereur.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. I talk to you like this because you come from the democratic society.
Yeah.
Okay, because I've been in France. They are democratic society. They can talk about anything, you know. But in Thailand, they call clientelism. Clientelism.
Ouais.
Ouais, voilà, vous comprenez? Clientelism is mean politics. They involve in the network of to sharing the benefit. You know, like a network. You have business group. You have cronyism. A cronyism is in family, your friend, or nepotism. You know, nepotism. You share between your family or the business, something like that, and become the network. And they call clientelism. Clientelism is not a democracy, right? ใช่ไหม clientelism is not democracy, and populism
Ouais.
ประชานิยม populism is a democracy or not a democracy, and like Jean-Marie Le Pen dit que Jean-Marie Le Pen can tell if you vote for me I will give you all the Gaulois on the Gaulois will get money for me every month, no need to work or something like that, but they never do like that, you know.
Yeah.
This is democracy, And France is the mother of democracy in the world, right? This okay, it can be, we can study. Okay.
Mais les politiques, c'est comme les avocats, ça apprend pour bien parler.
เบียงพาเลย
Sorry.
เบียงพาเลยเขาบอกว่าการเมือง politics is like a lawyer, you know, you have to know, learn how to speak well, okay, speak well and you can win, you know, because they call, why French people they call devil advocate, avocat diable. Devil advocate is mean you support the wrong the wrong reason or something like that, you know, you don't care about the truth, the reality or the reason. That should not happen in Thailand. They call devil's advocate or avocat diable, right?
Yeah.
D'accord. Merci beaucoup and thank you, gentlemen. Thank you for the wisdom.